On step tools, there is an option called helix correction to produce a shear edge on the step. This basically strengthens the edge on the step tools. So we can add helix correction, and the software automatically calculates everything. But just in case you need to make some changes, you can actually make the change. Let's put a -17 rake angle. Let's do a bit of a depth adjustment. This is just to show you what adjustments are available. We can do a wheel rotation, so it stays away from the main edge. We can also put a washout, a rotation. So basically what it does is it's actually doing a shear on the step of the cutting edge. The wheel's been taken away, and at the end of the day, you strengthen the cutting edge on the step by doing a shear correction.